In this training video, we are going to take a look at adding navigation and using navigation within your building area. So if we go over here and click on Building Management, we then have the option to select which building we want to choose from. So then we're going to select this first elementary school here for test purposes. And then you see right here we have the navigation area on the right. So right here, this is the different navigation areas you have. More than likely, you will only have this left navigation area for your building. This is where you will edit most of your, or this is where you will add all of your different links and stuff for your building. So if we click on left navigation, and we see right here that we already have some navigation set up, and we can go in here and actually, if we want to move maybe lunch menus to the top, it's more of a popular link, we can click and drag, move that to the top, and it will move it for us. And then we have to go down here and click on Save Layout to save those changes. But if we want to add a brand new link to something that we've created, maybe a content page or something else, maybe external, outside the CMS, we can go in here and click on the add link right here at the bottom. This is where we put in our link title. This is what will show up to the public. So maybe we want to add a link to maybe something like webmail for our faculty. We can put in our link right there. So if you use something like Office 365, we can put that in there. And then we can go down here, and if you happen to have like a button, an image that you want to show up instead of a text title, you can add a button right there, and then we can click on Save. And I forgot to add my HTTP in there, which is why it's giving me that error. There we go. Okay, again, if I want to make this webmail link more towards the top, I can click and drag and move it towards the top and click on Save Layout. If you're trying to link a content page, you can follow the same procedure. Go down here and click Add. If we have a school supply list that we want to add over here to the left, we can do that. Instead of actually putting in the link yourself, if you're linking to an internal page, which would be any of these options over here, it's best to use this right here because it automatically links it for you. So if we click on this right here, it gives us the option to select our district or our school. Depending on your permissions will depend what comes up, of course. So we're going to select this elementary school. And then this gives you the option to select from any of these building options over here, and it automatically puts the link in. But if we want to link to a particular content page, we can click on Content Page. Then it tells us to select our page, so then we can go over here and select the school supply list that we made in another training video. And you can see right here that it automatically puts the link in right there for us. We know that it's correct. We don't have to worry about making sure that it's going to work or not. And then we can go down here and click on Save. And it automatically adds our supply list link to the navigation here. If you happen to want to make maybe submenus or something like that, you see here that we have some of those set up. All you have to do is click on something and drag it over. So if we want to add staff members under the school links right here, we would click on this, do a left mouse click, and drag it over to the right. And you will see that it puts it over here, and that will create a submenu. It will pop out, staff members will pop out underneath school links on the live website. And if we click Save Layout, it will save that change for you. That is how you use navigation on the CMS for buildings. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you.